Hello everyone. Welcome to Anuradha Gopu's e-learning courses website on Moodle Cloud. I am Anuradha Gopu, the creator and owner of this website, and this video is a brief tour of the website to help you work with it easily. As you probably already know, you can only access the website with a valid username and password, which must already have been communicated to you at this time. Every time you log into the website, you will land on its home page. Scroll down the home page to find videos and manuals on how to move around the website and to learn about the website's academic honesty policy and honor code. The website menus are hidden by default and can be accessed at any time by pressing the menu button on the top left corner. Here, you will find links to some important pages on the website. These are your home page, your dashboard, your calendar, your private files, and your courses. The dashboard page contains a comprehensive overview of different aspects of your account. When you initially log into the website, this page would contain the course overview block, the upcoming events block, the calendar block, and the latest announcements block. However, you may customize this page as per your requirement or preference by clicking the Customize this page button. Customization features include moving blocks around, adding new blocks, and removing existing blocks. The dashboard can also be accessed from the user menu available on the top right corner of the website. Additionally, this menu also contains links to your user profile, gradebook, messages, and preferences, or settings. This will also be the place to go to when you wish to log out of your account. As you scroll down the homepage of the website, you will find links to courses that you are currently enrolled in. These links can also be found in the menu, under the My Courses tab, as well as in the dashboard. To access any of your courses, simply click on its link. This will take you to the course page where you can find all materials, activities, and files related to the course. When you are inside a course, your menu will also contain links to all your important course pages in addition to the links commonly found there. You may find question mark symbols on some areas of the website. These are help buttons and will provide helpful information related to the area of the website you are in. So, that was a brief tour of the website. For step-by-step instructions to the website components we explored in this video, you may go through or download the How to Use This Website manual, a link to which is available on the website's homepage. In case of any problems, please send me a message through the messages page, a link to which is available on the website's top right corner. I hope you find this website easy to maneuver and the courses enriching and interesting. See you in one of the courses. Bye for now.